Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've been dealing with constipation, dry skin, or thinning hair, today's video might just be what you need. We're diving into the powerful, age-old remedy castor oil. From digestive issues to beauty benefits, this thick oil does a lot more than you might think. Castor oil is a vegetable oil extracted from the seeds of the plant. It's rich in ricinoleic acid, a fatty acid known for its anti-inflammatory and laxative properties. It's been used for thousands of years by the ancient Egyptians, traditional Ayurvedic healers, and even your grandma. When taken orally, castor oil works as a stimulant laxative. It increases movement in the intestines, helping to relieve constipation within 6 to 8 hours. But heads up, don't go chugging it. Only 1 to 2 teaspoons is enough for adults, and it's not recommended for long-term use or during pregnancy without medical guidance. Tip: mix with orange juice to mask the strong taste. Here's how to use it safely. Take 1 teaspoon on an empty stomach in the morning. You'll want to stay near a bathroom. Trust me on this one. Don't take it daily or for more than a few days. Prolonged use can lead to dehydration or dependency. Okay, now let's talk about the glow-up part. Castor oil isn't just a laxative, it's a beauty multitasker. It's ultra-moisturizing, helps with dry patches, and may reduce acne due to its antibacterial properties. Apply a small amount to your scalp or lashes to promote thicker, healthier growth. When used topically in a warm compress, it may help relieve joint or menstrual pain. So whether you're looking to get things moving, grow out your lashes, or soothe some aches, castor oil might be your new best friend. Just remember, natural doesn't always mean risk-free. Always consult your doctor if you're unsure. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more natural wellness tips. Drop your questions or castor oil experiences in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Stay healthy and hydrated.